Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Please pardon my mess. I am on to pour number 3 for today. The first one I dropped my cup in. The second one, a gnat made its way across the entire canvas before expiring at the corner. Thanks for making it that far. So, I had a little bit of paint left over, which I've already put in the cup because I wanted to measure it out. I wasn't sure which size canvas I would need. So here it is. I have 4 ounces of paint. This is the 6x6 canvas, and it has the deep edge sides. So the colors I have are basics, cobalt blue, quinacridone magenta, crimson, the deep violet, and the cadmium yellow deep hue. And I have put them in a cup already. So this will be a short video. Let's just make a mess, shall we? I haven't laid down a base coat. We're just gonna do it. So I've used the DecoArt pouring medium. There's no Floetrol at all in this. I'm still getting cells. Ironically, when I was going for cells with the DecoArt pouring medium, I couldn't get it. I forgot my gloves. This stuff is really sticky. This stuff will be under your fingernails until the end of time. Wear gloves. Just trying to figure out what I want to accentuate now. Okay, here it is. It's kind of dark, so it's hard to see, but the sides hold up really nicely with this pouring medium. And I like this little area there, little rainbow. And the corners that are not covered, I will just come in and touch up with a brush after it's dry. See the side there. There it is, my leftover pour. Hopefully it will remain bug-free. Fingers crossed, y'all. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I hope you have a beautiful day. Go make some art.